Here's some sampling and statistics trivia. Subscribe. What type of sampling selects every nth individual? Is it A, random sampling, B, systematic sampling, C, cluster sampling, or D, stratified sampling? The correct answer is B, systematic sampling. Which method divides population into groups? Is it A, stratified sampling, B, convenience sampling, C, simple random, or D, snowball sampling? The correct answer is A, stratified sampling. What type of sampling involves random selection? Is it A, purposive sampling, B, probability sampling, C, convenience sampling, or D, non-probability sampling? The correct answer is B, probability sampling. What is the sampling method based on judgment? Is it A, judgmental sampling, B, convenience sampling, C, snowball sampling, or D, random sampling? The correct answer is A, judgmental sampling. What type of sampling selects anyone available? Is it A, convenience sampling, B, systematic sampling, C, stratified sampling, or D, random sampling? The correct answer is A, convenience sampling. Which term describes variability in sample estimates? Is it A, random sampling, B, sampling error, C, population parameter, or D, systematic bias? The correct answer is B, sampling error. What theory discusses limits and sampling distribution? Is it A, Bayes' theorem, B, central limit theorem, C, confidence intervals, or D, null hypothesis? The correct answer is B, central limit theorem. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.